Why I jumped his cord. Yeah.
Stop.
Yep. Am I recording? It's a door right there.
Easy. There you go. Okay, so this is how you clean out a dryer vent and dryer filter piece. I don't know what it's called. If you if your dryer is not heating properly. And I'm sure somebody over the comments will be like, oh, well, it's probably some type of heating element thing. Yeah, it could be that. That's until you look at your vent and it's completely full up with lint. And then I'm sure there's someone say it's a heating element thing on water. But anyhow, so that's how you clean it out. Now, please subscribe, leave comments, and always, there's your dinner.